Welcome my dear traders. In this video I'm going to share with you my trades, how I did this, how I trade this week, reasons why I opened my trades and results that I made. Before I start, I ask you to push like, subscribe, because there's so many lessons on our YouTube channels that will help you make money in trading. Let's go. I think you can see a title of this video that we made during this week 4,744 USD by only making 6 trades. Today I would like to share with you, take a look, it is a result of this week. 6 trades, only 1 stop loss, 5 take profits. Take a look, average leverage, only half 0.51, very small leverage. And I'll share with you all these trades, why I opened them, what was the reason, what was the result. I think that will help you trade the most, because many people, when you read, when you watch any lessons, but without practice, it's difficult to become pro trader. Also, my friends, for me it's important to hear your feedback, because it is new rubric our YouTube channel, and if you like it, I need to hear you. I need to see your feedbacks, I need to see your comments, like, and all of that stuff. First, about this week, first it is a Monday, 20th of September. I'll share with you 3 trades that I took during this day. Leverage, take a look, very small. I did quite awesome trades, ADA, Ethereum Classic, and Luna. All of these 3 trades I took in our VIP community, and I'll share with you all of them. Let's start from first one. It is ADA. Why I opened a trade on ADA? Take a look. It was my short trade. I would like to share with you all reasons, all results. What I saw, take a look on this beautiful trend line breakdown, key level breakdown. ADA price squeezing down, weaker than the market. Every attempt to rise ended up with biggest volume at high. You can see that during this pump, during that pump, this one, volume always increased exactly at high. Take a look. I would like to share it with you. Here, biggest volume. Here, biggest volume. After that, after this trend line breakout, again biggest volume at high. That means every attempt of rise ended up with biggest volume, but there is no reaction, no continue. That's the reason why I thought that all people that bought it here, there would be a place when all of them will get out of positions, and that's what happened. Breakdowns happened. I took my 1 to 4 risk reward. In this trade, my risk was 250 USD. At this moment, in nearly in all trades that I do, swing trades, my risk 250 USD, and in my goal is to take 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Another trade that I took during that day was Luna and Ethereum Classic. Let me share with you Luna, because Ethereum Classic logic was different. Luna, take a look, it also a key level breakdown. Take a look, I took my 1 to 5 risk reward, because risk also was 250. And take a look how Luna after that drop additionally. I took 1 to 5 here, but price could give me 1 to 12. But you should never regret if you took profit, because some people, oh my God, I could keep it longer. Friend, say thank you God that I took this money, and go to the next opportunity. That's it, because no regrets. It is the worst thing that you can do. Take a look Luna. What was the reason of that trade? Biggest volume, price got pumped from 20 USD to 44, more than 100% up price within only 2 days. Biggest volume, take a look, exactly at high, biggest volume. After that, do you see this pullback? Again, attempt to broke it. And take a look, again, biggest volume here, but reaction drops. That means people that bought here get trapped, someone get out of position. And after that, slowly squeezing to key level. Like, for me, it was worth it, and I took a trade. I like such trades. And on daily chart, take a look at this beautiful squeezing down. And the next one, third trade that I took during the day, it was a scalp trade on Ethereum Classic, because during Monday, quite a lot of coins get dropped so much, and Ethereum Classic did beautiful relow. Biggest volume was exactly at bottom, and Bitcoin at that time also did a relow, and I took this trade with risk only 100 USD per trade, and I took 1 to 2 risk reward in this trade. Scalping. After false breakdown, the biggest volume at reload, good trade with small risk. That's it. Okay, let's go to another day. I would like to share with you another day. Take a look back to week. Wednesday. Friends, once more, write in the comments, what do you think about this format? Do you like it? What I could improve? Also, if you will enjoy such format in the future, I'll share with you DOM and footprint of trades that I do, especially scalp trades, because on swing trades, it is make no sense to pay attention to DOM in swing trades, but in scalping, it's really awesome to see how DOM played out your trade. Wednesday was also good day for me. Do you see that I didn't trade? I took money on Monday and I didn't trade on Tuesday. Why? Because on Tuesday I didn't see good opportunity. And take a look, I took only 2 trades. First one, 1 inch, second one on fill. Both of them trend line break up, both of them. Let me share with you them here. 1 inch, take a look, and fill. 1 inch, beautiful trend line breakdown. What was the reason of a trade? By the way, if you want to learn how to trade, I can teach you. Below this video there would be contacts. You can join our educational program or VIP community where I'll share all these trades exactly in a moment when I open it. Link below, right, and you will get all info. Biggest volume exactly at bottom. And what was the reason of a trade? First one, price dropped quite a lot from 350 to 220. It is nearly 35-40% of drop. After that, do you see that during every reload we had biggest volume at bottom? Beautiful, slowly squeezing to trend line. This pullback exactly before trend line, and risk reward in this case was 1 to 5, because take a look, I closed 1240 with risk 250 USD. Beautiful trade. Honestly, it is maybe one of the best trades that I took, and such trade I share in our VIP community with our VIP members. I share it in a place with my best trades that I took during week. And fill was nearly the same as 1 inch. Also, take a look, biggest volume exactly at bottom. I like that stop loss hunt, because take a look, exactly at reload, biggest volume, and after that squeeze up. I like it, but my problem was that I paid too much attention to lower time frame, because if you would take a look on lower time frame, yes, it was quite beautiful, but if you would open daily chart, what was my mistake? That on daily chart, honestly, this trend line breakup didn't have so much sense, because biggest volume on fill was here, and price, as you can see, didn't finish this massive pullback. And honestly, I was lucky that I opened this trade, and when I analyzed the trade, I opened and I saw at 23 o'clock that it can't even make a re-high, and I closed my trade at 23.10. And after that, take a look how it crashed on another day. Honestly, I got lucky and I closed 1 to 2 risk reward in this trade. And the last one, my friends, it was the last trade. It was on Friday. Honestly, I made a mistake that I trade on Friday because this trade, it was a mistaken trade. I made quite a lot of mistakes here. And let me share with you. I sent the trade to my VIP student, Gio. I sent the trade, take a look, minus 249 USD. I open a trade. What was the logic? Nearly same. Do you see biggest volume exactly at high? Coin get pumped, and on Miss ago it rose up from 450, something like that, to 1150, quite a lot. Biggest volume exactly at high. For me, it's a signal that someone could get out. And take a look how here price after that biggest volume get dropped. At this moment, I thought that there also could be additional drop because we didn't see biggest volume at bottom. But what was my problem? That I opened a trade. Major idea was to open a trade before this trend line from bounce from VWAP. But take a look how far from VWAP I opened the trade. And take a look, my friend, how I was lucky in this case. I opened a trade here. They took my stop loss exactly. And after that, they dropped quite good. And after that, they dropped this far from 922 to 8 USD. They drop quite good. That's the reason why you don't need to hurry up and open a trades only in a proper place. places. Even here, conclusion, no close stop loss hunt before breakdown. That means there was no stop loss hunt. Entry far from VWAP. Price exactly took my stop loss and drop after. I was in a hurry. Also, this trade I didn't do good preparation in this trade. Friends, once more, if you enjoy, push like, subscribe to get more updates. Write in a comment what I can do better in this format. If you will like it, I will do it at least once, twice per month, where I'll share with you my results and my real trades. Especially when I will have weeks with more stop losses, I'll share all of that with you. Take care.